Myself Dr Ashwini, founder of Dermatous Skin Laser Hair Clinic India and owner of Dermatous Skincare brand. So today I have decided to discuss one very important topic with you all. This video is specially dedicated to all my Indian followers and Indian patients. So one question is always raised in front of me by all my Indian patients is why we should not oil our hair. Okay, so everyone in India, it's a tradition, it's a culture which is imbibed in our mind from our childhood that yes, we should oil our hair. It is good nourishing supplement to it and it makes our hair really grow long. But I just don't understand the concept why it will make our hair grow long. Why? Because to make your hair grow long, what it requires is very good diet, good nutrition, good protein intake to lengthen your hair and not the oil. What is function of oil? Oil just lubricates. So yes, if you have very dry hair, maybe you can apply the oil, but yes, there is particular method also how you should apply, where you should apply, what time you should apply and all that. Okay, we'll just discuss about all this also. Before we discuss all this, I will just like to highlight upon something called oil glands on our skin, which is also called as sebaceous gland in medical term. So we all have these sebaceous glands or oil glands on our body, not on each and every part of our skin, but we have that on our face, on our scalp, on our chest and back. Okay, so all these places, that's why we see secrete oil, and yes, we do get skin oil even on our face, even on our scalp. If we don't wash our hair for 3 to 4 days, you will see to it that your hair are becoming little oily. Why? Because our skin secretes oil. The oil glands are meant to lubricate, so natural oil is always there. So that's the reason we say if our skin itself is taking care of the oiling part to lubricate and make it soft and smooth, then why do we need external application of oil? Oil glands, they actually start functioning when we achieve puberty, and once we reach old age, yes, it's slowly gradually starts decreasing their function, and after 60s or so they almost stop functioning. So that is the time when we can apply oil if required. So I say before achieving puberty, from babies till the puberty is achieved, that means when oil glands are not functioning, yes, we can apply oil on our scalp. Even after 60s, if we feel the dryness on our scalp, yes, we can still apply oil. But rest of the people like who fall in between this age group can apply oil if their hair are really very long. So what I say, you don't apply on the scalp, you just hold your hair and put it on your tips, not on the roots but on the tips. You can apply oil on your hair. But next question arises is, everyone wants to apply oil, but after oil application, what do? They shampoo their hair so much that rather than making your hair soft, you end up making your hair more dry. So you actually want to apply oil, but you don't want anyone to see that you have applied oil. So that's why I say, if you don't apply hair oil and if you use very little shampoo, it will keep your hair soft and nourished. And yes, you can apply some conditioner and some serum on top of it to compensate the dryness. But even after doing this minimal shampoo and conditioner, you feel dryness, you apply it down, but again very little oil, and yes, I will say you manage the quantity of your shampoo. Not a lot of shampoo should not be used in order to avoid dryness of your hair. I think that is what all I have to say in today's video. Now many patients, they also ask which oil should we apply by chance if I want to apply the oil. I say any oil without fragrance should be fine. I don't like that a lot of fragrance and all, which is just like a fancy thing. We don't need that fragrance at all in any oil. A normal cold pressed oil should be fine. Preferably I say coconut and almond oil suffices our needs of oiling our hair only if required. But still, moral of today's entire video is we don't need oiling of our hair at all.